Good morning, children. Today's topic is fluid pressure. Now, what are fluids? Fluids are those substances that can flow. Children, you all know liquids and gases both can flow. So, they are said to be fluids. And pressure is exerted by fluids because of their weight. So, more the weight, more will be the pressure. Liquid pressure. Liquids have weight, so they exert pressure. Now we'll study the properties of liquid pressure. The first property, liquids exert pressure on the walls of container. This we'll understand with the help of small activity. For this activity, you need a small plastic bottle. You need to fix a small hollow glass tube a little above the bottom of the plastic bottle. You can fix it by heating the glass tube and quickly inserting into the wall of the bottle. Seal this end with the help of molten wax. Now, to the open end of the small glass tube, you fix a thin rubber sheet or a balloon. Now, fill the bottle with water and observe. You will observe that as the bottle is filled with water, this rubber sheet or the balloon that you have fixed out here, it stretches or bulges out. So this shows that water exerts pressure on the wall of the container or on the side of the container. The other property, liquid pressure increases with height of water column. It is maximum at bottom. We'll understand this property with the help of an activity. In this activity, you need a transparent hollow pipe. One end of the hollow pipe is again fixed with either a rubber sheet or a balloon. Now fill this hollow pipe with water to certain level and you will observe that the balloon bulges out. Now add more amount of water. Now when you add more amount of water, the height of the water column will increase. You will observe that balloon bulges out more. That means more height of the water column, more will be the pressure at the bottom, due to which the balloon bulges out more. Water pressure is maximum at the bottom. This we can prove with the help of an activity. Children, you all can also carry out this activity at home in presence of your parents. For this you need a plastic bottle. Now in this plastic bottle you make 3 holes at equal distance with the help of board pins, right? And close these holes with those pins. Now once you have filled up this bottle with water, remove those pins and you will observe water coming out from all the 3 holes. Why does the water come out from all the 3 holes? Because water exerts pressure on the wall of the container. The other thing you will notice that the water from the first hole, here it is coming out and it covers this much distance, that is D1 from the bottle, right? And the water which comes out from the second hole, it covers D2 distance. And the water that comes out from the third hole, this covers a distance D3, right? And you can see the maximum distance is covered by the water which comes out from the third hole. And third hole is towards the bottom of the bottle. That means the pressure out here is maximum, right? So the pressure is maximum at the bottom. That's why the distance covered is maximum. So pressure at point 3 is more than the pressure at point 2 and than the pressure at point 1. So this activity proves that the pressure of the liquids or water is maximum at the bottom. The next property, liquid pressure remains same at same depth or at same height. We can understand again with an activity which you can also try it out. For this again you need a plastic bottle. Now in this you make 2 holes on the opposite sides of the plastic bottle and close it with the pins. But one thing you have to remember, these holes should be at the same height from the bottom, right? Both the holes should be at same height, right? Now fill it with water. Once it is filled up, remove the pins, and while you remove the pins, you will observe water coming out. Now the water that comes out from the first hole, it covers a distance d1, while the water that comes out from the second hole, it covers the distance d2 from the bottle, right? And you will observe that these two distances are equal. d1 is equal to d2. That means the pressure at this point and pressure at this point is also equal. So that proves that at same height or at the same depth, the pressure remains same. This is a manometer. It helps to find liquid pressure at different levels. Now some application of pressure in liquids. Children, walls of dams are made thick at the bottom to withstand the high pressure of water. Now you know that the pressure of water is maximum at the bottom. So the walls of the dam are very strong and they are very thick so that they can bear or withstand the high pressure of water. Similarly, the deep sea divers, they wear special kind of design suits. Why they have to wear it? Because the pressure exerted by water in the ocean increases with depth. It's very much high at the bottom. So very deep down, the pressure is enough to crush the human body. That is why deep sea divers, they wear special suits which can withstand such high pressure and prevent their bodies to crush. Now, why do deep sea fishes not get crushed by pressure on the sea floor? You know now that pressure at the bottom is very high, right? So why these creatures living in the oceans and sea, they don't get crushed? Now fish living closer to the surface of the ocean, they have swim bladders, that is large organ with air in it, which help them to float up or sink down in water. But the creatures or the sea fish which are deep inside the ocean or on the sea floor, they don't have these air sacs in the body. That means they don't get crushed. Why? Because in their body water is present and water does not get compressed to that extent as the air, right? So inside the body water is present and the outside water pressure is not able to compress that water which is present in their body, and moreover the water in the body balances the outside pressure exerted. So that's why these animals are able to survive on the sea floor. They do not get crushed. Let's revise what we have learned. Fluids are those substances that can flow, right? Liquids and gases are fluids. Liquids exert pressure due to its weight. Liquids exert pressure on the walls of container. Liquid pressure is maximum at the bottom. Liquid pressure is same at same depth or height. Manometer helps to find out liquid pressure at different levels.